are created on the same night or within the same short period of time. The three spheres of the tetrahedron structure, S1, S2, and S3, are a common sight. Consider this 1,024-foot-long formation from 1999. At what can be called the beginning of the crop circle, the three spheres are clearly depicted. They give us an idea of the structure and show us where these new symbols go. Remember, there are three main spheres on the large tetrahedron structure. These are S1, S2, and S3. Another sphere also exists at the bottom of each arm of the large tetrahedron structure. Sphere Z. In this amazing formation from 2004, we can see all four of these spheres. Additionally, we can see that sphere Z is connected to the water sphere. Between sphere Z and the water sphere are a couple of short lines, of which are seen in several other formations as well. These have been marked as rechargers, and are related to power generation. It is important to realize that in this and many other formations, sphere 1, 2, 3, and Z are symbolizing all three arms of the large tetrahedron structure. From a bird's eye view it could appear like this. Our model of the large tetrahedron structure from above. Although there are three of each of these spheres along the arms of the large tetrahedron structure, there is still only one water sphere at the very center. There are, however, three recharging points. As we just saw, the recharge symbol is shown between sphere Z and the water sphere. There are three rechargers in total between the water sphere and each instance of sphere Z. Confirmation. Another confirmation. In this formation from 2004, the outer core of all four spheres of the large tetrahedron structure are visible. The water sphere is also clear. Connections to other areas of the crop circle shape are shown, including the connection from the water sphere to the bottom of sphere Z. This is the location of the rechargers. The water sphere. We know it exists at the center of the large tetrahedron structure. Therefore, sphere 1 and sphere 2 are above the water sphere, while sphere 3 and sphere Z are underneath. Elements inside the layers of the large tetrahedron structure, which include microwaves and hydrogen, also travel to the water sphere. The water sphere is connected through pipes coming from the level of sphere 2, or the second level of spheres. We know this symbol is one representation of the water sphere. In the sequence of circles, we can see S1, S2, and the water sphere. The third sphere of the large tetrahedron structure is not shown, because the water sphere is connected from the second level of spheres. Here we have the symbol of the water sphere, after only S1 and S2. Another confirmation. Still again, a symbol for the energy processes occurring inside the water sphere is shown next to the circle representing S2. We even have the symbol for water. There is also this formation we examined earlier, showing the water sphere at the center after S2. Let us now re-examine the basic structure. There is no lack of confirmation. 1990. Here, the three spheres are visible. Additionally, the recharging symbol is again identifiable between sphere Z and the water sphere. Created about the same time, this formation also appeared. Although very similar, it has some interesting differences. It may appear to show something contradictory to what we have been saying, because only two spheres of the large tetrahedron structure are shown. But wait. We just learned that the water sphere is connected from the level of the second spheres. For this formation to work, the position of the water sphere and sphere Z would have to be the opposite of what they are in the other formation. This is exactly what we find. How predictable. Let's make this clearer. Formation 1 is valid. On the diagram, the yellow line shows the pathway taken. Formation 2 is still valid. Both pathways fit perfectly. They are simply going in different directions to help us understand the structure.